Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we will be making fruit trifle. Very easy to make and is lovely in taste. To start off, pour in 200 milliliters of water, 1 packet of strawberry jelly crystals, and bring it to boil at medium heat. Please note that constant mixing is required for this mixture. Once this mixture starts boiling, stir and boil for another minute. This is where you switch off the stove and put the mixture to one side so it could cool down. Next we will put slices of Swiss cake at the base of the bowl. You can use the cake of your choice, but I prefer using strawberry Swiss cake as it adds to the flavor. At this stage we will put a mixture of fruits on the top of these slices. Next we will add the strawberry mixture on the top of these mixed fruits and fruit slices. Put this bowl in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and allow the jelly to solidify. Add 4 heaped tablespoons of custard powder in 200 milliliters of cold milk. I prefer using vanilla flavored custard, but you can choose the custard of your choice. Please make sure all the custard is properly mixed in the milk. Now please add 800 milliliters of milk into the pan with medium heat settings. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Please note that I constantly stir while I add the sugar. Please add milk and the custard mixture into the boiling milk and stir constantly. Once the mixture is thick, stir for 1 minute. The custard is ready and should be put aside so it can cool down. Please note that we have to stir constantly while the custard cools down. Once the custard is lukewarm, pour it on the top of the solidified jelly mixture. Dress it with sweetened dairy cream and almonds. You can also use fruits of your choice if you require. Our fruit trifle is ready to be served. This fruit trifle is a wonderful way to amaze your family and friends.